smoking and chewing tobaccos. As you have all seen in the book of Colossians chapter 2 verses 21. Do not handle it, do not taste it, and do not touch it. So, once we taste it and once we touch it, that is tobacco. There's lots of ill effects upon us individually and socially. Like, consuming tobaccos and smoking will lead us to dangerous diseases like cancer. Consuming tobaccos and smoking affects our mental health like forgetfulness, etc. Also, smoking and chewing tobaccos will only keep us away from the society, family, and our friends. Because once we start consuming and once we start tasting it, we automatically become the black sheep of the family and an irresponsible citizens for the society. Leave it about society. We become the irresponsible individuals for ourselves and for our life. And we cannot do our own activities by ourselves because we become an irresponsible for that. Also, a universal truth and a universal fact. Tobacco kills ourselves. And lastly, I would like to wind up my speech encouraging you all that let us all stay away from the tobaccos and let us all be a tobacco-free individuals and be a persons who will always does a good things for the betterment of the society and be a responsible citizens for the society and for the individuals and for the parents. So, this is the end of my speech. Thank you.